Hello everyone, my name is Gediminas, I'm part-time Amazon FBA seller, and in today's video I will share with you ArbiSource, a software designed to help Amazon sellers with their online arbitrage sourcing. It basically saves you tons of time. Let's just jump onto my screen and I will share all of the important information with you. So ArbiSource, it has a lot of different features such as store scan, wholesale scan, category scan, reverse scan, etc. I will share all of that with you. I will jump onto my ArbiSource account just in a minute. Just bear with me. It is £59 a month and you get 7 days free. So please try it out and let me know what you think. I will leave the link in the description section below as well. Let's just jump onto my ArbiSource account just now. And let's just quickly go to account and I will go over the settings. I would highly recommend doing this first before you do any scans. So let's just go there. I'll have to hide some of the information just to protect my personal details. So filter settings is really important, so please align them depending on your business and depending on your preference and your strategies, So how many BSR drops do you want to be for the deal to appear, minimum profit, maximum profit, bestsellers rank, return on investment, all of that. Make sure you adjust that depending on to your preferences. Also, you can exclude some things, so you can exclude any deals that don't have any bestsellers rank data. You can exclude any results with missing fees and all of that. So by selecting all of these settings, by selecting all of these exclusions, it will save you tons of time, and all of these deals, bad deals, won't appear onto your search, so you don't have to go over them, and that way you will save you tons of time as well. Deal scoring settings is important as well, as you get 100 points assigned to you, and you can assign them depending on to what your preferences are. For example, I do aim for higher profits. Then the next important thing is return on investment, bestsellers rank, and match confidence points as well. I don't really care about the total seller points, so please adjust this depending on to your preferences. Score threshold, is again, I will show you a bit. You will see the scoring in a second once I go through the deals, but you can adjust that based on the profits, So let's say 0 to £2, anything below 0 in profit is going to be a bad score, medium score, a bit better, and excellent score, So you can adjust that by playing around in here as well. Return on investment, bestsellers rank, match confidence points, and total seller points here. So you can adjust that depending on your needs. So make sure you do this first. Again, you get this help section here as well. If you have any questions, you can always go through all of these and you can just read over if you don't understand anything or you have any further questions. And again, there is a Facebook group here. Again, you can join it. It's ArbiSource Facebook group. You can ask any questions in there. I will leave my Facebook group as well in the description section below. You can join my group as well. It's totally free. You can ask any questions related to ArbiSource or anything else at all. I will leave that in there for you too. Okay, so let's just go to the dashboard, So the dashboard is where all of your deals gonna appear. So all of your current scans, all of the scans that you're running, or they're already finished, they will appear here, and you can filter and go through all of the different profitable products that appear. So we'll quickly go over all of this what you can actually see on the screen. So as you can see, that's where your score appears, indicating like 8 out of 10, which is quite good deal. You can see your profit straight away at the top. You can see the return on investment, bestsellers rank, then lowest prime offer, it gives you a price there too. You can see there this deal is from Argos, this is a hitman and is buying price is $29.99. And you can see that on Amazon is currently selling for $59.99, So what you can do, you can click on this picture and it will take you to Argos. It will take you to that deal. And you can click on this picture and it will take you to Amazon listing. You can also do further analysis, so you can select, like, let's see how well this deal was doing in 90 days, and it will automatically change all of your average, average buy, average profit, BSR and all of that automatically once you click that. There are 90 days, 180 days, and 365 days. You can also click on this chart and it will bring your chart over. You can do exactly the same and analyze this deal this way as well, so it makes it a bit bigger. You can check if this deal has a cashback by clicking on here. You can create your custom bottom as well. I haven't done it personally, but you can create it. There is more help in the help section below, or you can always ask for additional help in the Facebook group, as I mentioned. You can do that too. You can add it to sourcing list. I will show you what the sourcing list is. So if you find a good deal, you can just click it and it will take you to your sourcing list, so you can filter your deals that way as well. You can remove this result, report mismatch, you can check it on eBay as well, other Amazon results as well, you can check on that. Underneath as well, it will show you straight away the ASIN number, the category, if you're restricted or not, because ArbiSource straight away links to your BuyBot Pro, and straight away it will indicate if you're allowed to sell this product or not, so it saves you a lot of time. Show your dimensions, and again, match confidence and AP status there too, so it will gives you all of this key information as well. So let's just quickly go to scans, and actually before we go to scans, let's jump to Vault, okay? So these are the all stars that ArbiSource offers you, so all of these different stars. And by clicking on any of these stars, let's go to 365 games, it will automatically give you all of these deals. So basically what happens, ArbiSource runs the scans every 24 hours and throughout all of these stars. So by going to Vault, you can access all of these different stars and you will have deals that way too. So again, it gives you all of these deals straight away, pre-populates all of them. You can click this bit here. It's always very, very important to check if you're restricted and if you're allowed to sell these products. So what it will do, it will automatically check that for you, and you can collapse all of them and go through all of these deals by confidence score if you feel like. Sometimes you will have a lot of red ones, so you can just skip them, so that way it will save you time by finding these profitable deals. You can select, sorted by profit, return on investment, product cost, all of that. You can sort it out by your preferences. And this area, you can go through all of the different stores as well. You can jump on and off from different stores, or you can go back to your vault and go to all of these random stores. You can, again, that's what I showed you earlier in your settings section. That's where you can toggle on and all of these settings. You can filter your deals by this, again, filter your results. So this is quite a handy area to bear it in mind. So, and also in the vault you get Amazon categories, so you can search for deals by categories, so we can go to video games and it will bring all of the video games from all of the different stores. If you're focusing on specific category, this is quite a handy way to look for profitable products. Okay, that's where the fun part begins, scans. So you can actually run individual scans. As you can see, I've been running quite a lot of scans recently already. So this where is important to know how to do it properly. So you can do store scans, so by clicking here, category scans, wholesale scans, you can customize your own scans and diverser scans. So let's just quickly jump into the store scans first. So you can select any of the different store. So let's say we go to Costco, just for example. You can select all of the different categories, or you can select individual categories, depending on the categories you sell. And you can select up to 20 categories, but you can run multiple scans. So you can select 20 categories, do one scan, do another 20 categories, and do another scan, and so on and so forth. So by doing that, you can select random categories, let's select them all, and you just start the scan. Boom, it's as simple as that. Leave it there, it will run the scan, and once the scan is finished, it will appear in this complete scan section. You can just click on the result and go look for profitable deals that way. Another way, quite handy, let's say let's take, I don't know, boots. You have a 20% boots discount code. So what you do, you have 20% boots discount, or let's say you save 15, in this case, save 15%. Let's say you save 15% when you spend 60, like this code here. So you can go into any category, let's say go to number 7, right? You copy the link. You go to custom link, add your custom link, and then you apply 15%. And then you can start the scan that way too. Boom. the scan is going to start automatically. So it's really handy if you have any specific discount codes. You know there is a sale is going, additional like 10, 15, 20% off. You can run your scans that way too. It's very nice and simple way to do it, and extremely, it saves a lot of time. Another way you can do, you can run your scans. No, that's pretty much it I wanted to cover in store scan. Sorry, I meant to go into category scan. So another way you can run your scans is go into the category. So rather than going store by store, you can just do a category, select toys and games, and start the scan. It will do all of the available stores for this specific category, in this case toys and games, and it's going to run the scan for you. Then you can do wholesale scans. If you're into wholesale, just upload your spreadsheet here and start the scan. Custom scan, there is some help in the description section below. I've never done this personally, so I can't really go over it. But again, if you need any further assistance, I believe there is some videos on YouTube as well how to do that. And reverser scan. That's where you can type in a specific ASIN of the product you're interested in and run the scan there. You can upload all of the ASIN sheets, you know, do multiple ASIN scan, and you can search a storefront. So by selecting a seller's ID on Amazon, you can enter that and start the scan that way. Storefront sourcing, you know, basically, so it's quite handy too. So there is loads of different ways to do it, you know, improvise, try all of the different ways. And that's where all of your results will appear, you know. That's where all of the results appear, you know, so you can go and analyze, looking through your results this way, or you can go back to your scans and do by clicking it here. Once you're done, you can delete it as well. And that's where your sourcing list. So whenever you, let's grab a product as an example, results, I don't know, and you can add to sourcing list, you know. So we'll add to the sourcing list, so it will appear into your sourcing list, you know. So there you go, add straight away to your sourcing list, so that way you can filter all of the deals. So go through all of the different stores, you know, add to the sourcing list, and then you can start purchasing all of these products. Replenishables, I don't use this area, but as I mentioned, it saves you tons of time. Saves you time from having manually source this additional tool to find your extra profitable products. £59 a month, 7 days free trial. Try it out. Let me know what you think. I've leave the link in the description section below. Please drop a comment if you have any questions, or in general drop a comment. And once you get it, you try it, please drop a comment and let me know what you think about it. I personally think this program is great, helps me to find a lot of profitable products, saves me tons of time as well. Anyways, you take care, have a good one, bye bye.